I got him. I got him. This type of shit happens every day. I got him. Hey, where you going, buddy? Stay in focus. I'm having to zoom in. Oh, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Just like that, it's gone in the blink of an eye. Super fast. Super fast. Did you see that? My zoom couldn't even keep up with him. See? Nothing. That was a real one. That was a really real one. Yep. See? Above the house here, here's the house. Above the house, you've got that bright star there. And down to the right, you've got another one. And it makes a box formation. See down right there? There's one. There's one. Box. 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 That light that you just saw that disappeared on us doesn't belong there. And that's how I know. It's because I pay attention to the star constellations. That's how I notice when something's out of place. That was a week, but it was authentic nevertheless.